Okay, uh, this is my new tube, Takatsuki TA-300B, and this is very nice 300B tubes packaging in the wooden box. Right, if you can see here, it was really nice, right? It like very perfectly cut, almost not really visible. Right, but actually if you sit carefully, right, you can pry it open a bit. See? It is very detailed. Right? If you put it back, it's just like very nice and evenly packaged across. See? Close it. Wow. Very nice tube. Okay, so when you buy this tube, right, and you open it, simply you will get some kind of booklet, right, and then you will see some basic information about the tube, some basic guidance and the measurement, right, but this is not real measurement. This is, I think, just an example, right, but you will see here, right, 300B tubes, right, the serial number here 08450 08786, right, and at the same time you can see the measurement result 7979 at the minus 70 volt bias voltage, 350 volt another voltage, right. Sorry, this is raining a bit in my place, so you might see the thunderstorm, but I think the voice should be clear enough. And this is signature measured by M-Trans, I think. By M-Trans, yes. And then it's just like 3rd November 2022, right? The 2 serial number here. Very impressive, right? You're really getting these details, right, of the tubes. And aside from that, you also can see there's some small leaflet in Japanese, not sure what is that. And you also will be able to take a look on the graph, the measurement. Right, you can see here the measurement result. Right, 300 volts, and then the DC plate current. Right, you can see here 76.2, plate current 5.6 milliamp, and those detail. A mutual conductance 5006, right, and the grid leakage, path resistance, tube gain, heater voltage, runtime, and again the timestamp. Very, very detailed, right? You can see the tube serial number itself, and then measured by amperetrax. And then you can see the chart, right? And I have my U-tracer and I have my ROI test as well, so I can verify the test result. But I believe this is definitely an accurate because it was measured by the professional, right? Exact detail of serial numbers here and that measurement time, right, etc, etc. So yeah, basically this is what you will have in the box, and the same for the second tubes, right, with the same chart as well. Okay, so I think we finished with this documents, right? Then you can see inside. Wow, this is amazing tubes, right? Let me move my camera a bit so you can see this one better. Impressive tubes. Written here Takatsuki. Very nice. See all the details. Wow, this is a copy of a Western Electric 300B tubes. Very amazing. And you also can see here have the serial numbers engraved inside the mica. Not sure if you can see this, right? It's a bit small, right? But yeah, you can see the serial numbers is inside the tubes, right? It's amazing. Amazing tubes in amazing packaging. So I'm quite happy with this tube. So I have tested once in my friend's system. I'm still building my Elekit 8900, but the initial impression, the tube is very good, right? Strong bass, very clear mid and high frequency, right? Very transparent, but at the same time very bold, very distinct kind of tones, right? It's quite impressive, right? I felt it's like a 2A3 with steroid, right? Or combination between like 2A3, 300B, and EL34, something like combination between those three. It has the transparency of 2A3, the great mid range of the 300B, and at the same time like impressive energy, right, like EL34. So maybe I'm exaggerating a bit, but once I complete my amp, right, we can take a listen, right, and try. So yeah, this is basically what I have for today, right? If some of you may be asking what I use currently for 300B, let me share you a bit, right? At the moment, I'm using Suguang, the Black Treasure. This is also a very nice tube, right? But after I compare with the Takatsuki, right, definitely they are a bit on the different league. Not mentioning the price also, like I forgot 4 or 5 times higher for the Takatsuki, right? But again, I believe this Suguang also very nice tube, right? Just I feel they are not in the same league with Takatsuki. Of course, because of different price as well, right? Different price point, but this is also very nice tube. Definitely much better than any kind of entry-level tubes, 300B tubes that you can find in the market. Right, very nice tube, but I will say it's a bit different level with Takatsuki. But it's okay. We can take a look and try the sound test later. Right, so I think that's all for now. So see you again. Bye bye.